guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making party cookies, also known as M&M cookies. I love making these cookies because they are so versatile. You can use these for any holiday or any occasion simply by changing the color of the M&Ms. I love using the spooky mix for Halloween. For Christmas I'll do red and green M&Ms. Today we're going to be doing ones for Valentine's Day, so we're going to be using the Cupid mix. So with that being said, let's get started. You're going to need 1 cup of shortening, 1 cup of brown sugar, half a cup of white sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 2 eggs, 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 cup of M&Ms. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees. We're going to start by beating together the shortening and both sugars. Add in both eggs and the vanilla, and we're going to mix this well. Add in the flour, the baking soda, and the salt. This is going to be mixed well. And last, we're going to stir in the M&Ms. Drop the dough by rounded teaspoonfuls onto a parchment-lined cookie sheet. This is going to go into a 375-degree oven for 10 to 12 minutes. Okay, so the first batch is out. The second batch is in. So we're just waiting on those. This is supposed to make about 36 cookies. I think mine's going to make probably a little bit more than that, but we'll see once I'm actually finished. Okay, so they are all out of the oven, and it actually ended up making exactly 36. So that is what they look like. And now I get to clean up the kitchen. I will leave the full recipe in the description bar down below. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I will see you next time.